Okay, I'm going to unbox this little tiny things. It's called Rabbit R1. So this is GPT based Android powered personal assistant, AI assistant. So I ordered last year, so I just received it lately, I think last week. So I'm going to unbox this one. The packaging is quite cute. So here. This box. Oh, here. That little orange. The size is like my Motorola mobile. Yeah, pretty much the same. Okay. Let me pause a bit to unpack this one. Okay, see, this is arrow here. Oh, this one. This one's the first. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, still have that. Okay. I think this is the box. It's quite good design. Graphically, I think it's cute. This one. Yes. And got rabbit here. And okay, let's see. It's supposed to twist this one. Okay. Oh yes. This is how it works. Like, oh, it's nice. Okay. Yes, this things there. I think this is the Type-C cable. I think this is speaker. I think it's pretty much the same as my mobile. Yeah, smaller. A bit smaller. Yeah. Okay. This is what for this video. I will try this in the next couple days and upload the review as well. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye.